Hi, I'm Daniel. Welcome back to Learn with Quadrant. Today we're doing an interesting demonstration of the green film paper. Here I have one of the green film papers. It helps us to visualize the magnetic field of magnets. It uses the Faraday effect. Basically, when the polarized lights pass through this material, the magnetic field will rotate its polarization, creating a light green color on the film. With this film, the magnetic stuff in our daily life would look very differently. So today we'll use this to see how what kind of magnets are used and how they look like. So here are the things we're showing today. This is a fridge magnet. When we put the film on top, instead of seeing one continuous field, we're actually seeing grid lines.
This is because a multi-pole magnet arrangement is utilized on this fridge magnet. For multi-pole magnets, it helps to concentrate the magnetic flux density and increase the force between the magnets and the surface.
Another example I have would be a phone. First, we can see a magnet ring. This ring is sometimes used as a holder of the cell phone. Also, it can be used to firmly connect and align the phone to the wireless charger. While we move the phone to the bottom left, we can see another magnet here. And this is the vibration motor of the phone. Magnets are many times used to create lids for easier closure and snap in. For example, this earphone, we can see this top. There are many magnets inside. This top pair is used to close the lid, while those two pairs of magnets are used to connect the earbuds. When we look at the back, those top two pairs are also used to close the lid, while those arc-shaped magnets are used for the localization of the earbuds, while the central one is used for the connection with the wireless charger. Here I have something unexpected. It's a pair of eyelashes. This eyelashes has two pieces, so a top piece and the bottom piece. The top piece, we take a closer look, it is actually many small dots. So this is actually a multiple magnet, while the other mating piece would be a steel. When they put together, a bigger attraction force can create, and it will hold firmly on your eyes. Over here, I have some brushless DC motor samples. You can see the magnets are magnetized through inward and outward directions. When you put card, you can see each of them. And to create magnetic field, it doesn't have to be separate pieces. We can do multi-pole magnets in a single process, so it will still have the same effects. With this single process, you actually have better tolerances and a stronger structure. Lastly, I have a hard drive to show. So in the disk of hard drive, the surface of the disk contains a tiny layer of ferromagnetic material. Our data is stored as each individual small magnetic areas over the foam. This has been Learn with Quadrant. See you next time.